Give them a big hand for promoting our Khasi culture. And we have Philip with us. So I'd like to hear your feelings and how do you feel and say something about the Khasi community, and I can do the translation.
Daka riam Khasi tynrai riam kini kisahab napo kari Norway. Hang ne pilaban sakhi ya kene koi ka sahab ka kinthai. Kabadai napo kari Norway kala riam naka Jain Kyrshah Khasi badya ya kiti kishnong kitau hapo kite kishnong Khasi. Kane gadai kabla jia hapo kishnong Khasi kata hapo ka ri Bangladesh hakapor badan ketika sengkut snem jongki Khasi hapo ka ri Bangladesh. Bad haba kini ki phareng napo Norway kila poe kiti kishnong Khasi kila lingo angan hakaba kisyam baki cai benriu hakati kishnong ki per baklabak bad ki we bad ki jaka. Bad kumban suang nak kari Bangladesh kadika ri jokin kar Bengali Henry ki dan bad ki Khasi jongi ki bedang sado haduk mentamene. Kumta kini ki phareng napo Norway kila lingo halor kini ka jingdan ki Khasi bad kila i syo jing edru ya ka jinglong baka jingbha jongki Khasi jongi. Kumta kini ki phareng napo kari Norway kila ai arta di jingkran hak bakila ong bakan no kiso tanat man poe kini snang namar baki Khasi kilong ki babha ki babes bat ki ba welcome bha ya ki phareng napo kari Norway bat sangap no pi kini ki jingkran jong kini ki phareng.
So I'd like to hear your feelings and how do you feel and say something about the Khasi community, and I can do the translation.
So my name is Philip and we are from Norway, and we are really excited to be here. It's such a nice experience to experience the Khasi celebration, and the people here are very nice and very welcoming.
Maybe I can do the translation before I get lost.
Yes.
So man sakmen polar একটু খাসি ভাষা দিয়ে বলছি কারণ আজকের যে সেনকোসনে মেটার মূল সৌন্দর্য হচ্ছে খাসি ভাষা দিয়ে বলা। তো sakmen pola di ula dangya tine man gane অভিজ্ঞতা dangya tine sakempang pola i man welcoming pola hi hagi chipro gi wangcha pola i thau sakmen pola di tula shalok man teka gane senkosne dangya.
Yes, and we really enjoyed the dance, and it's such a beautiful culture here, and we're very thankful to be a part of that.
Ongi sa tempang pelat ki cuma and sakmen gidi ki cuma enjoy ga kana karada ya di ki cuma chumi Khasi kata kana ongi man I gami ha ga ya ga obigota experience di ki chula tine sa tempang pelat ki.
Yeah, and we want to thank you guys for being so warm and welcoming.
I kuble keri ke man I ka man I buram pelat he igi pediang buram he igi la itu kana por na ya singkusno. Thank you. Yeah.